Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will learn how to set up a shared folder within Google Drive. To begin, navigate to the My Drive section. Right-click on the interface and select New Folder. Give your folder a name, such as Shared Folder, and then hit the Create button. Once the folder appears, you can use it just like any other directory. Open it up and upload the files you wish to include. To share it, right-click the folder, choose Share, and then click Share once more. In the window that pops up, enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite. After adding a contact, use the drop-down menu to assign them a role as a viewer, commenter, or editor. I will select the editor option for this example. You can keep the notification box checked to alert them and even include a brief message. Click Send to finish. The recipient will receive an email notification allowing them to access the folder immediately. That covers the process of sharing folders in Google Drive. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.